So recently I was out in the desert filming for Sierra Rally Cars, and what we were doing is driving these two cars around on sand dunes and in the lake bed. The hard thing is when you're flying a drone, you have to pay attention to two moving objects at once. And while you're doing that, you have to try to figure out how to get the perfect shot and to try to be in the spot that you need to be without damaging the cars or crashing your drone. And that's what I want to explain to you today. How to get the perfect shot and how to track multiple objects at once. By far one of the hardest things with this shoot is that you had to be ready and prepared, because you had to be in the air as long as possible, because anytime you're on the ground, that was the most crucial. So this is what the trunk of the car looked like. I had all the drones ready and laid out, so all I had to do is either replace a battery or just swap it out with another drone. So then you can never miss that one shot. Now, communication is by far the most important thing. For example, before we even started filming, I told them to pretend the drone was not even there. And I also reassured them that I'd drop the drone to the ground before I even got close enough to hit a person or the cars, so that they wouldn't swerve out of the way. And another key part of communication is talking about explaining what you want for the shot. For example, I wanted the shot where I'm going through the dust cloud as he's drifting, and he wouldn't know that unless I told him beforehand. And another big thing is to make sure you have a nice transition in between all your shots. For example, I had some DJI shots showing off the location where we're at, and then I had some FPV shots of filming them up close. And you want to make sure to transition in between all these shots, so then you can get a good mix of both of them. And if you follow these steps, then you can get the best shot, and you can make sure to not miss that perfect shot. I'm Zane Shaw, and keep flying.